What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm Jake Minacci, and today we have a different unboxing. We have a wall charger from Anker. It is a special wall charger because it has 4-port USB and it has supports 27 watts charging speed. So this is really great if you have like multiple phones and tablets at home. Like if you have a kid and a wife, you can all of three of you just charge your phones plus one tablet. So this is really very handy. So I really appreciate such products brought to the market, by Anker. Let's take a quick look at this cable over here. So it comes with this brick. Let me just open up, show you how it looks like from here. It's a beautiful design and box that you can fold out, and just like a book, and you just see what is inside just without even opening it. It's really helpful for you if you want to check what's going on inside. And as you can see, the brick is big. The wall charger is big, and that's because it supports 4 ports plus 27 watt charger, and you need a lot of power. Now it comes with a couple of technologies, as you can see here. One of them is the Power IQ. So the benefits of Power IQ is to adapt charging output to enable full speed charging. So it doesn't matter what port you have, you're gonna get the 27 watt charging speed if your phone support 27 watt, of course. And as you know, the newest chipset from Snapdragon, it's supposed to support 27 watts. So it should be compatible with all Snapdragon newest chipsets from the phones. Second thing is a voltage boost, as you can see here, to overcome cable resistance. So it's I don't know what doesn't mean here, but I think it's just give you more security, more protection of the cable from voltage. I don't know, something happening with the cables that could actually hurt your volt speed or some such thing, but I believe that's what it is. Sometimes you have some cables doesn't actually support quick charge. Maybe this one will enable it. I don't know. Let me know, guys, what does this mean in the comment section if you know. Multi-protect, ensure total protection for you and your device. So that's actually is the safety and security of the power speed here. We hear a lot of wall chargers getting issues if you are charging fast, and you should actually choose a very reliable company that actually knows about charging and batteries, such as Anker. Anyway, let's take a look at the back. So travel ready, no problem at the airports. You can just go any place. You can, if your airplane has a plug, it supports two type of outputs, the twin and the triple. So you get covered if you're going to India or going to Europe or going to the Middle East. It's gonna support everything, and this is really cool about this device, this charger. But you have to keep it stay in a safe place. You need to have a good a place to save them, because if you lose one, then it's going to be a problem for you. Second thing, we're going to have the multi-device high-speed charging. This is what we're talking about, 27 watt charging. The third one is the comprehensive safety, so total protection in your device. So just the safety, speed, etc. This is how it looks like. You can charge your tablets and phones, no problem. So let's take a look at inside of the phone, and let's try to take it out. Let me see if it's easy to do. No. Yep. There you go. There we go. It's actually better than I thought. I thought it's gonna be a tougher way to take it out, but there you go, guys. Yeah. So these are a lot of layers of box wall charger. So we have, let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is the warranty card. I think it's good that we have a warranty. And this is the brick. It has 4 outputs, as you can see. They look nice. They're blue colored, all of them. supporting IQ fast charging, and it's very heavy, guys. It's like, I don't know, maybe it's around a phone size, maybe 200 grams. I think it's almost similar as a P20 Pro when it comes to the weight. I'm just feeling it, you know. I'm not sure, I'm just feeling it. Let's take a look. Oh, this is really sticky here. Anyways, you can see it from here, and I'll need this one because all my wall chargers are actually three-way chargers. So all you have to do is just clip it. Oops. Just like that. As simple as it looks. You know, that's great. Let's take a look at this. There's some ratings over here. Okay. Power port, which we can have focus now. Yeah. So power port for light model. Input. Output 5 volts. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. This is the wall charger from Anker. I think it's very important and it's very productive to have such wall charger instead of having 4 chargers on your house. So just one, and just, you know, a set of cables, and that's it. It doesn't come with any cable. That's a bummer, but you have your own. You have your smartphone, right? That's it, guys. That's it for the Anker 27 watt 4 port wall charger. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and see you guys later.